Hey everyone! If you're gearing up for an international adventure and wondering how to use your Visa card without a hitch, you're in the right spot. Today, I'll walk you through the essentials step by step, so you can travel smart and avoid common pitfalls. Let's dive in. First off, before you head out, make sure your Visa card is set up for international use. Not all cards are automatically enabled for overseas transactions, so give your bank a quick call or check your app to confirm. This simple step can save you from frustration at the airport. Next, notify your bank about your travel plans. Let them know your destinations and dates to prevent any suspicious activity flags that could block your card. It's like giving your bank a heads up so they don't think you're up to no good. Now, let's talk money matters. Be aware of foreign transaction fees. These are extra charges, usually 1 to 3% per purchase, that can add up quickly. If you're a frequent traveler, consider switching to a card that waives these fees for better value. When it comes to paying abroad, you'll often face currency conversion. At the point of sale, you might be asked if you want to pay in your home currency. My advice? Decline it and let your bank handle the conversion. They usually offer a better rate than the merchant. For cash withdrawals, look for ATMs with the Visa logo. These are widely available, but always check for ATM fees and prioritize safe locations to avoid scams. And remember, keep an eye on your card at all times to protect against theft. If something goes wrong, like a declined transaction, don't panic. Visa has global customer support you can reach 24/7. Just have your card details handy, and they'll help sort it out. In wrapping up, using your Visa card internationally is all about preparation and awareness. Follow these tips, and you'll be exploring the world with ease. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.